What up, Juggalos? This is Yakima Juggalo bringing you an unboxing here. So I got this yesterday, and to ensure I got the special collector CD, I ordered multiple copies of Ouija Macc's Wasteland. Now, Bobby Blaze and Beneath the Dirt have told you guys what it is that you get. So this one's Resistance 2, Hell's Holotape, Wake Up, Fall Through the Floor, Skin, Platinum Skeletons, All Blue, Poison, Open Wide, Do the Math, Princess Ouija, Therapist, The Plague, Stain, Sorted, Put It Down, Disgust Me, Die Alone, and Where I Belong. So, by ordering multiple copies of Resistance 2, Hell's Holotape, I managed to get the Ouija Mac Death Bless 3 EPs, REJ. Now, Bobby Blaze has said it's going to spell out reject. You'll See, Dead Diary, Library Music, My Place, Creepenhagen, Mixing 'em Up, Trailer Park Militia, High Alert, Thou Love Not, Bed of Roses, Territory, Don't Touch. So I don't know if this was like a spur of the moment or he planned this out to release this EP. But I want to show you guys something that I have done. So he's released these three plus another one, the number 3, the number 3. So I have already put together REJ and the number 3. So You'll See, Dead Diary, Library Music, My Place, Creepenhagen, Mixing 'em Up, Trailer Park Militia, High Alert, Thou Love Not, Bed of Roses, Territory, Don't Touch. Now the 4 plus songs that aren't on this CD here, I Wanna Die, Daytona Daniel, Take 'Em Out, Waste of Time. So I have put together all 4 EPs into one with that cover art right there. Now, that's what I've done. And I hope with this Hell's Holotape for the videos, I would like to see Die Alone, Where I Belong. Those are pretty cool songs that I enjoyed off of Hell's Holotape so far. I've listened to the whole album, but those two really stand out for me, so I'd like to see videos. So there you go. I have managed to put together REJ3 as one complete album. So this was cool. It's nice to be able to add this to my CD collection because I love it. Being able to add CDs to the collection, but you know, if he knew he was going to do this, maybe he could have included 3 with it. I Wanna Die Alone, Daytona Daniel, Take 'Em Out, Waste of Time. Now, the way I have set this up is as he releases them, I will add the other EPs to the existing ones. And when he is finished spelling out, if it is in fact reject, that means he only has to do C and T for a total of 8 more songs. So there you go, multiple copies. I like to ensure if I have the money, or we make a plan, we figure it out, get your friends together, chip it all at once, make multiple copies of the one extra CD, and there you go. That's how you can do it. All chipping $20, 5 of you, and there you go. You get the one CD that you guys can agree to make multiple copies of. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, look, there's my autographed one copy. Whoop whoop to Ouija Macc. Appreciate that. So let me know what you think of that. That's pretty cool, I think. Just gotta wait for C and T to drop. If he's gonna release them in 4s, it's 8 more songs. And there you go. I'll have the complete album.